guys, how are you? So today we are going to debate on hostel life versus school life. वीडियो को पूरा देखने के लिए एंड तक बने रहे. Thank you. Hello guys, today we are going to debating on hostel life versus school life, and thankfully we are supporting hostel life. In my point of view, hostel life is good because in hostel student learn discipline, and discipline is the most important for their success in life and to achieve any goal. And if I talk about school, so in school, so students don't learn discipline because I have been seen many times during the school classes. Businessman that discipline is the most important, and if you want to succeed in your life, so you will have to build discipline in your life. I don't agree with the point. You say, I think that it is going on in school. In school, also teach discipline, and as we know that in 2 years, children go to first of all school. They don't go to hostel. So I think that it is going on in school. First of all, school teacher teach discipline, how to speak and how to write and how to wake up early in the morning, etc. I don't agree with your point because you said that discipline is also in school life. But in my opinion, discipline is in also hostel life. So in my opinion, hostel life is good because many of if we talk about hostel life, so in hostel life 90% of students follow their timetable. But if you talk about school life, so in school life only 10 to 15% students follow their timetable, and many of student eat their lunch between the class in school life, and it's disturb the class. And if we talk about hostel life, so it is not going on in hostel life. So in my opinion, hostel life is good.
No, you're wrong. Hostel life is very bad because of that. Many hostel student bully other person, so this is not right. Hostel discipline is good, but many students are not follow this rule, so this is not right.
You said that in hostel life there are bulliness, so I don't think there are bulliness. It is outdated. I don't agree with your point because you said that if in school life any student bully to other students, so they complain to their parents. But in hostel life, it is also going in hostel life because they talk to their teacher and their parents also. And if we talk about school life, so in school life there are no discipline. If you talk about boys, especially boys, there are no discipline in boys. And if you talk about hostel life, so there are very discipline in hostel life in boys and girls both. I don't agree with you because where I study, I see that hostels boys are very bad and use abusive language and bully their juniors, and they not have manners, and to how to speak, how, etc. Sorry, bro, I don't agree with your point. You said that in hostel life, boys abusing to each other, but it is also happening in school life. So how can you say that? And in hostel life, if you are abusing, so there are many wardens, so they can stop you. But in school life, I don't think hostel life is good. I don't agree with your point. You said that it is going on in school, but I want to say something. In school life, if children learn something wrong, so both parents and teacher are there correct them. But it is not going on in hostel life. If children learn something wrong, so they have only teacher to correct them. But sometimes teacher don't understand their child. So I don't agree with your point. How can you say that it is not going on in hostel life? But in my opinion, it is going on in hostel life also, because if a student bully to other students, so these students complain to their parents and teachers also, and teacher understood him. Teachers
and teachers take action about him. And if we talk about school life, so school life is not good in my opinion, because in government school, if we talk about government school boys, so they step to each other, but in my opinion it is not going on in hostel life.
I did not say that it is going on in hostel. I said that if children learn something wrong, so they have no parents. They have only teacher to correct them. But only sometime their teacher don't understood properly. Student go hostel for their study, not for giving abusing language. So I don't think hostel life is bad. I think hostel life is very good.
Hostel life student not enjoy our festival, and they miss our parents. And school life student enjoy festival with parents and our relatives, so this is good.
How can you say that hostel students don't enjoy their festival with their family members? They can enjoy festivals with their family members. They can take leave and they can enjoy festivals. I don't think that. I think in a young age, every child need their parents. They don't need their teacher. And in hostel, if I talk about hostel life, so every student, as we know that every student celebrate a festival with their teacher, with their friends also. But still they need their parents. They need their parents' love.
In my opinion, celebrating festivals is not important than study. If a student focus on their study properly in hostel, so after getting something, so they after hostel and after their become anything, they also celebrate festival then. So in my opinion, hostel life is good.
Yes, I know that festival is no more than exam and our successful life. But I think that every festival is a happiness. Every festival celebrate. These festivals celebrate with their parents, with their family. But in hostel life, we not celebrate any festival with their family. And as we know that. Successful is our necessity, and everyone wants to become a good person. So but family is our need. And
I don't agree with your point, because you said that students cannot celebrate festivals with their parents. But in my opinion, in hostel life, students can also celebrate festival with their families. They can take leave and go to home, and they celebrate festivals. And in my opinion, festival is not more than study.
About the hostel life, so hostel life students get good marks in their studies. But if I talk about school life, so they don't get good marks in their studies. So I think hostel life is good.
Are wrong. In school life, student good marks, because of that they focus our study, and teacher help for student, and also parents help for student, so good marks in school. And then hostel life is only help for teacher, not a parents, and not burden, only study ourselves. So
Hostel life only teachers help the student, parents not to. How can you say that parents also help their children, and the student call them, and the student talk to them, their parents, with the help of mobile phones. So how can you say that? If I talk about hostels, so hostel takes so much fees comparison to school. School don't take so much fees. And in if I talk about schools, government school also and private also, and in private schools they don't take fees charge so much. If I talk about hostel, so in hostel take so much fees. So I think that the school life is good.
But in my opinion, hostel life is good, because there are many government hostels also. And if we talk about fees, so in school there are also so much fees in schools. And if we talk about school, so many of school principals not run their school like a school, they run their school like a business. And if in my opinion hostel life is good. Hello guys, we have debated on school life versus hostel life, and I hope you enjoyed the debate. If you like, so please subscribe our channel, that is with English with Mahesh sir, and comment in comment box. Thank you.